Nice vibes, you know, cause we's a youth who love music, you know, we do it every day, so and we sing Look Out for the Under. You see what I say? That song, yeah? And for the girl, them, listen.
The party, Expression Ladies. Me like see Renee 630. Sure, Nicky Crewman. Come on. Me like see, hey baby fast. UK, Wicked, Trinidad. And the girl them wine man. Jamaican ladies. Me like see when you wine and tick tock. And when you jiggle your body and make your hip drop, my girl. Me know you have it locked. Good compliments you get from every distract. Bleaching fit, everything feels skin a bitch fat. And when you walk out the road, clothes a mismatch. Me know you have it locked. Good compliments you get from every distract. Come here, girl. I don't know a long time. Crime boss me, I tell you, said I get a girl wine. She take it and she tack it and she drop it one time. And she have the wine where you mash up killer mine.
Yo, but I like. Let me say she have the wine where mash up killer mine. Yes, it's Stacy Expression. She have a super sentimental expaladocious wine. When she wine, I saw me say killer look. Me I say no. That's why I find a line there. And she have the wine where mash up killer mine. Yo, bad. And you know that song how that song come about. You know, so we just did the studio all the vibes and DJ Brian from IRFM send a rhythm come on. Yes, sir, but you know me not do no song for the girls them. So I just decide say one knock I have to find a song. So the song it a release sometime in the month. Because me have a bag of song I release in this month, you know. Yo, God knows that. I just like music. One time I used to have 1 song, 2 song, 3 song, 4 song, 5 song, 6 song, 7 song, 8 song, 9 song. Yo, me have a bag of song till me pass all 10 song. You see? So you can look out for great music that come from Quick Cook. And my music them different from the average, you know. A happy music me sing, you know. You see what I say? And my music them have to make sense. You see what I say? Yeah. Alright, me just record a car song with you. And I go play it. Because you know it's a Honda me a drive. Shine it yesterday one now. Make them see. Yeah man. Honda. I go turn it on. No fumblings. My engine well solid. You don't know. Million me buy me car for. $1 million. 3 years me have it here now. You notice me keep on. Yo, shine on my car. Let them see what I go on. Because we are youth to love with things, you know. You see what I say? Everything up to date and them something there. Yeah. We love the car, nice little under, leather interior, armrest. You see it? We have a cup holder and them something there.